How to create stories in VN Video Editor. Now, in order to create stories in VN Video Editor, you just simply need to open app and tap to this blue plus button. Simply tap there and you will directly get this option of stories right here. Tap into stories. Now, after going in here, you just simply need to tap to this add section option and this section will be added. You just simply need to name it. For example, I would like to name it flower. And after that, you just simply need to tap to this add clip option. And then you just simply need to select the clips which you would like to add in order to make the story. I will be adding this one clip and you can also describe the clip if you want. And now after selecting the clip, you can select more if you want. Just simply tap to next button and it will automatically create a story video for you. Now in this video, you can do all of the classic edits that you would like to add. You can add music, you can add other overlays in this video, and this is how you create a story in VN Video Editor. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.